Running a service or repair business isn't easy. Manage spare parts,
Create and tracking service tickets, controlling inventory, and printing barcode labels.
These manual processes take time, and missed leads mean lost revenue. That's where CRMJIO comes in, your all-in-one smart business platform. With CRMJIO, systematic create and track service tickets, manage parts and inventory accurately, print barcode labels with a single click, send instant payment alerts, WhatsApp messages, and email notifications. Monitor your team's performance in real time. View profit and loss reports anytime, anywhere. Call us today to get started. +9 18076760462. Visit www.crmjio.com.